So you work in the front door of an event, checking people in with Happily, and you want to know the exact time that certain people checked in just to, hey, do what you got to do. There's an easy way to do that inside of HubSpot, leveraging Happily. So at a high level, what we're going to do is we're going to stamp the exact time when a registrant's status goes from registered to attended. And we'll do that by creating a property on the registrant called time of check-in. So you can see right here, I've got my date time picker called time of check-in. In order to stamp that time, we have a workflow that's registrant based that looks to see when the status of the registrant is gone to attended. And we're going to turn enrollment on just in case someone gets checked in and then needs to get rechecked in, and we'll restamp that time. It's one simple action. Edit the record, which is the time of the check-in on the registrant property, and then change it to the date the action completes. So once this actually hits, it will update that property. Another helpful thing you can do is actually display this while you're checking people in. So you can gauge different times and look at people who have already checked in and kind of reference that data as well. You want to go into the Happily admin, go to check-in, and then click check-in display properties and add that property in, time of check-in. Now let's see it in action. So we're on the check-in page for this education thing. Al Bundy's coming in, al@shoes.com. We can see that information and we can see this time of check-in. Now he's not checked in yet, so let's get him checked in. And if we give this a second, we can look at the checked in page. And now we can see March 31st, 11:47 a.m. Central Time, they checked in. So when you click on this reservation status, you can see people that have registered, checked in, or did not attend. So you can click the checked in piece and see the exact time when they checked in. Super helpful way to event happily.